Hi everyone, going back to my channel Kartik Kaur, and today I'm right now in Florence and we're gonna go to the cathedral. So
We
right
just came out of the railway station, had our breakfast in the hotel, and now it's almost 8:30 in the morning after breakfast, and our train just came at around 7:30. We had our breakfast and now we are going to the cathedral. This is the famous cathedral, and the girl at the reception said that it's better if you just go for a stroll and come back till the time your room will be ready. These are small lanes with shopping. A lot of shopping here. Florence.
beautiful Florence.
Small lanes. You can hire these bikes also, Kyra.
For rent.
These bikes also. This
So guys, I'm gonna show you a famous bakery of Florence.
famous Florence bakery. So let's see what they have inside. Croissants. Oh, this is cheaper than Salzburg and Prague. Wow, lot of breakfast options.
And there's some chocolates.
Yum. You'll find these sandwiches everywhere. And chocolates.
And pastries.
Oh, yum. Don't count the calories. So this is a bakery of 1939. Quite old and authentic. We'll try. We must try this one. This is the Cathedral of Santa Maria del Fiore. Let's go inside.
So guys, now we're gonna go up to the bell tower. I think it's spiral staircase. Maybe.
So this is the entry of the bell tower, and we'll go to the top and see the view.
내 이름이 너무 크게 나.
Kyra, chalo.
내 이름이 너무 크게 나.
Campanile Belta.
Bell tower.
So guys, this is the showroom, Flying Tiger.
It is from Copenhagen, and it is a very famous shop for kids. We always buy stuff from here. So let's check out what is inside, Kyra. Beautiful Christmas decorations. See, everything Christmassy. Ooh. Christmas bowls, 4 euros. Christmas cup, 6 euros. Oh, this is so cute. Padam, I want to take this for Raina later. What is this? 5 euros a bag. These are Christmas lights. Oh, soft toys, 10 euros.
This one is so cute.
Sure? Oh, this is an owl and an owlet. What's this?
This is a keychain.
No.
It's decorative.
These are
keychain.
no. See, it has a chain with it. I think this is a locket or something. I don't know.
Yeah, it's a locket.
Oh, it's a decoration. I think it's a decoration.
Oh, there's a ball if anybody wants to use it.
What is this?
Bubble gum. I don't. It's toothpaste. Bubble gum toothpaste.
I will take this for Raina. This is very cute.
So guys, this is the city center.
Hustling, bustling, horse starts. it's 12 o'clock. That's why. It's 12 o'clock.
In India?
In India, it's almost 4:30. 4.
Not even
Ooh, beautiful. Just see how many people have come. So many people. Together I'm seeing after so much. Padam, after such a long time we are seeing so many people together. Don't you think so? Sounds goes like
The bell tower.
this is the bell tower.
Florence Duomo.
Karen?
Wow, I'm in an Italian restaurant.
Italiano.
Yeah.
Italian restaurant.
Yeah,
And we have ordered a spaghetti and
pizza.
a pizza. See, a beautiful Italian restaurant. It's called St. Lawrence. 1966. Kara, this restaurant is from 1966. This is in the main square. Italiano. Italiano. Eat and tell me how's it. How's it?
Yummy.
Gelato. The famous gelato of Italy. She's taken medium. Kara, nice? Happy?
But
When in Italy you can't miss gelatos. Nice? Yummy gelatos.
and I'm gonna show you a chocolate fountain inside a shop.
Chocolate fountain! Yeah! So pretty chocolate fountain. It's called Vinci. And they have all kinds of chocolates. Gelatos there, chocolates here. So much of chocolate in Florence. And the street. Hi! Nice hustle and bustling street. Tyra, see the smallest car. Oh my god, so cute.
What's so cute? Ladies and gentlemen, now see the colorful pylons.
Shop name Pylons, and it is so colorful. I'll show you. Such a colorful shop. Umbrellas, bags, palette. Everything is so colorful. Yeah? Cups, mugs.
Oh, these are
Umbrellas, wow.
these are
These are best
brushes.
of the month.
These are brushes with mirrors, and they're still colorful.
Oh, these. You picked it up from here, right? These are bags. See? Chalo. These are only good to see. Dream duck.
A duck shop.
What is this, Kaira?
It's a duck shop.
Let's go inside and show me. What's this? Only ducks? They're only selling ducks? What else they're selling? Only ducks?
Yeah, I love ducks.
Ducks? Oh, these are toys. So many ducks. Kaira? Only ducks? Oh, this uncle is looking so cute. This is a statue of David.
So guys, now we have reached the bridge, Pondicherry.
Ponte Bridge. See? Oh, it's so picturesque. Nice, Kaira.
Can't see it.
Can't see it.
These are all the gold
Jump.
shops on the left
I
side.
can't see it.
Try to see now from here.
Climb. Climb this step.
And these are all buildings. And towards the right, there are all gold shops. All gold shops here. It is walking distance from that square, and these are all the gold shops. Left and right, all gold shops. And now we see the real beauty.
I see the bracelet I didn't buy last time.
So serene and so nice.
This is a place for kids to see.
And your mom will eat this heavy, सबसे heavy thing. Oh, my hands got tired because of this.
Il pesce noi è così come pappagallo. Da ragazzo. Sempre mi piace, che mi piace. Molto bene. Ah, non è cambiato. Anche io sono in famiglia, nipoti, sorelle. Non so se imparavo lì, si impara vero? Io non imparerei.
Guys, this is the top of Florence, and we came in a bus, and the number was 12. So we took at least 13 stations.
And it took almost 20 minutes to 25 minutes to reach here. But the viewpoint is worth it. This is the statue of David. And this is the top of Florence.
You can see the whole city.
Yeah, and just see, tourists are coming here in buses, cars.
Everyone is coming for a
And David is even coming.
David is here, his statue is here.
Oh yeah.
Come, let's go and explore this area.
State
And
In the
Michelangelo.
front.
Dava Dipa della Libertà.
So guys, this is a statue of David.
Kaira? And I think you can walk also. We were there on that bridge. Beautiful viewpoint.
बस तो ऊपर से ही मिलेगा।
पैदल चलते हैं। अब तो उतरना ही है।
मैं नहीं कर पाएंगे।
Guys, now we're going down.
We came in the bus, but now we are walking down. And see, this is the walking path. It is all spiral, and we just have to climb down. And not that far. I think total 15 minutes we'll take, and we'll walk it down and reach the center.
You want to feed them?
Fishes, beautiful fountain.
You want to feed them? Okay, go. Use the phone.
It's dinner time, and see, Kyra is just watching phone. What have you ordered?
Red.
You have ordered a pasta, and this is the cathedral. Having dinner here.
And this is the
Busiest street. Hi.
fine. We have the cathedral on the back.
The famous Italian sparkling wine with orange juice, right? Try and tell me how's it. Have to. Good.
Good. It's exactly like croissant.
Croissant.
You have a headache?
Your pasta is here. Try and tell me how's it without any vegetables. These Italian people don't give any vegetables. Happy?
They don't like vegetables. They eat vegetables once in a blue moon.
Just like you. Once in a blue moon. Try and tell me.
Oh,
Smells good. Quickly. I think it's good.
So guys, I hope you liked the video and buy and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button. Bye.